Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include keyless ignition, leather seats, adaptive cruise control, cooled seats, panorama sunroof. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2015 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, turbocharged, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.